In the manufacturing industry, the ball nose end mill is a crucial tool used in the process of milling. This tool is designed with a rounded tip that allows it to create smooth and precise cuts in materials such as metal, wood, and plastic. The ball nose end mill is commonly used in the production of complex shapes and contours, as it can easily create curved surfaces and intricate designs. This tool is also highly versatile, as it can be used for both roughing and finishing operations. The ball nose end mill is a popular choice among manufacturers due to its ability to produce high-quality results with minimal effort. This tool is designed to reduce the amount of chatter and vibration that can occur during the milling process, which helps to improve the overall accuracy and precision of the finished product. Additionally, the ball nose end mill is available in a wide range of sizes and materials, making it suitable for use in a variety of applications. Berkness Company, a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and components, understands the importance of using high-quality tools and equipment in the manufacturing process. The ball nose end mill is just one of the many tools that Berkness Company uses to ensure that their products meet the highest standards of quality and precision. By using advanced milling techniques and state-of-the-art equipment, Berkness Company is able to produce parts and components that are both durable and reliable. If you are interested in learning more about the ball nose end mill and how it can be used in the manufacturing process, Berkness Company is here to help. Our team of experienced professionals can provide you with the information and guidance you need to choose the right tools and equipment for your specific needs. To learn more about our services and capabilities, please visit our Contact Us page today. FAQs. 1. What is a ball nose end mill and how is it used in manufacturing? A ball nose end mill is a cutting tool used in manufacturing to create curved or rounded surfaces. It has a rounded tip that allows it to cut smoothly and accurately in tight spaces or corners. It is commonly used in 3D machining, contouring, and finishing operations. 2. What materials can be machined with a ball nose end mill? Ball nose end mills can be used to machine a wide range of materials, including metals, plastics, and composites. The specific material being machined will determine the type of ball nose end mill needed, as different materials require different cutting speeds, feeds, and tool geometries. 3. What factors should be considered when selecting a ball nose end mill? When selecting a ball nose end mill, several factors should be considered, including the material being machined, the desired surface finish, the cutting speed and feed rate, and the tool geometry. Other factors to consider include the size and shape of the workpiece, the machine tool being used, and the overall machining process. It is important to choose the right tool for the job to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.